In this video, I would like to show you guys how you can be able to create a high converting UGC style ads using AI for businesses. These ad videos are so realistic that you couldn't tell if it's created by an AI or by a human being. Now take a look at what I mean right here.
Hey everyone! Starting my day with a super healthy smoothie. The secret ingredient? A few drops of this. It's a Bach flour complex and it's 100% natural. Just a few drops to keep me on track with my wellness goals. Plus it's made in France and cruelty-free, which is super important to me. This is my
Hey guys, so I've been really intentional about my breathing and overall wellness lately. This has been part of my morning routine, Lung Guard Detox Tea. It's a natural herbal tea that helps cleanse the lungs and support respiratory health. I swear, I feel lighter when I drink this. Breathing just feels easier. I love that it's herbal.
So right now, I will walk you through how we're able to create one of these ads. You basically don't even need any special skills to be able to do this. All you just need to do is just to follow through, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. And once you go ahead and do it, you can be able to create a high quality realistic ads that you can be able to sell to businesses, or that you can get businesses that will pay you good amount of money for you to start helping them to generate this type of ads using AI. Because like you can see from the videos I showed you, you couldn't even tell that these are AI. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through right now in my system and show you the platform that we're currently using to be able to make this possible. But before we do that, if today is your first time of coming to this channel, my name is Martin EU, and right here I share with you how you can be able to make money online, the different strategies you can be able to utilize to be able to make that possible for you. Now, if this is the kind of content that interests you, endeavor to go ahead right now to smash that subscribe button, like the video, and click the bell notification icon so that you can be able to see the different strategies you can use to start making money online. So let's quickly jump into the video right now and get started. Now, the platform we use to generate these ad videos is known as Nestify.ai. Now, right here on this particular platform, you can be able to generate video ads using AI just by entering your prompt right here, and it will go ahead and generate the type of video you're trying to generate. Okay, so right here you can see that you can be able to generate an ad video, you can be able to generate a talking actor kind of UGC style, just like you're seeing people right here. You can be able to generate an ad image right here. You can be able to generate a product in hand, whereby you can be able to get a person, and the person can hold your product and demonstrate, just like I showed you guys in one of the video sample that I showed you guys, which you're going to be creating in this video. Right now you can also generate a B-roll, an unboxing POV, gestures, app showcase, custom avatar, and custom voiceover. Okay, so all these are things that you can be able to do using this particular app. So right now I would like to walk you through on how we are able to generate this particular UGC style video for this particular brand that you're seeing right here. Okay, so right here you can see that basically what we did right here is to enter this particular prompt that you're seeing right here, and we uploaded the product picture, and we set the aspect ratio and the duration, and it was able to generate this video that you're seeing right here. Okay, so now let me go ahead and walk you through on how we're able to generate this video. So for you us to be able to do this, now the first thing that we need is to determine the type of video that we are trying to create. Now the type of video that we're actually trying to create right here is actually going to be a product in hand video. Okay, now but because we want to model after what is already working for other people, if you come down right here, you can see that Nestify.ai already have some high performing videos that they have on their platform, which other people have created, and it's very amazing. For example, if you take a look at this particular one that we use right here, okay, so if you click into this particular video, Nestify AI is going to present you with the prompt being used to generate this video. As you can see, that the only thing that they did right here is to add this product picture, and also they added this particular prompt right here, and the AI tool now uses this prompt to generate this video. So all we actually did right here is that we went ahead and copy out this particular prompt and paste it right here on this Google Docs. As you can see, it shows us everything that was written right here on this particular prompt. Now the next thing that we did is to be able to open up ChatGPT. So right here is an instruction that we gave to ChatGPT. So we first of all uploaded the customer's product picture right here. Okay, so we uploaded the customer product picture right here, and we come down right here and we tell ChatGPT that we are trying to generate a UGC style video for this particular product, and we want it to model off from this particular brand. Okay, so which is this particular brand right here. So we went ahead and paste this same prompt that they have right here in ChatGPT. So what ChatGPT now did is to go ahead and structure the prompt to match the company or the businesses that actually contacted us to create this type of video for them. And you can see how it was able to generate everything, starting from, you know, the structure, the style, the environment, the tone, the camera, the product detail, and everything. And it was able to present the scene that the video needed to have so that it can be able to match this exact product that we are trying to copy. So what we now did is that after ChatGPT have been able to generate everything that we needed right here, so we simply went ahead and copied everything that ChatGPT gave us right here, went back to this Nestify AI, went ahead to go ahead and paste that exact prompt right here. Okay, now once we have pasted that prompt, now the next thing that we did is to, under this reference, we went ahead and click it and we added the client product picture. Okay, so for example, let's say that this is the client product picture, so we just went ahead and select the product picture and we add it right there. So once we have added it, now the next thing that we did is to simply go ahead and click on generate. Okay, so with this strategy, you don't need to know how to write prompt or do anything. All you simply need to do is just to find a video that is already working well right there on the platform, which is similar to what your customers want you to create. Copy the exact prompt used there, go over to ChatGPT, instruct ChatGPT to model it after the product that your client actually wants to promote, and you copy that prompt and now go back to Nestify.ai and paste it there, upload the picture there, and they will go ahead and generate these outstanding AI generated videos for you. And right now you can be able to sign up on this Nestify AI and get 50 free credit to use to start generating this video. Now if you would like to try this out, go to the video description of this particular video. I'm going to put a link that will allow you to be able to sign up and get this 50 free credit before it runs out. Okay, this is a very outstanding way you can use to start making money for yourself. So if you don't have your own product that you can use this to start promoting, you can actually go ahead and find customers that will pay you money, and you can go ahead right now and start using this to start generating videos for them, and they are going to pay you very well for this. If you like this update, let me know in the comment section, and if you like to always stay updated with this kind of information, ensure that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click the bell notification icon so that once I have new updates right now, you are going to be among the first people that will be notified. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.